I am Mary Lou Francis from the Solidworks training team. If you use the 3DEXPERIENCE platform with Solidworks, you probably know that the main navigation is the Dashboards and Cockpits list. But wait, what? Has this ever happened to you? The Dashboards and Cockpits list disappears? In this video, I'll explain why this happens and show you how to get it back. And I'll give you some other tips for navigating the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Let's get started. On the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, the main navigation is the Dashboards and Cockpits list, located under the compass on the top bar. Use this hamburger-style button to choose which dashboard to show, giving flexibility and control to your platform interface. The Dashboards and Cockpits list is organized into sections for cockpits and for dashboards, and a place to put your favorites. The difference is that cockpits are out-of-the-box dashboards, so they come with roles purchased for your tenant. Selecting a dashboard is similar to selecting another desktop. For example, if I'm working as a CAD designer, I select a 3DEXPERIENCE SolidWorks dashboard, which has tabs containing apps supporting 3D design. If I'm doing project manager tasks, I choose a dashboard that has my favorite apps for viewing project status. I can create new dashboards or customize existing dashboards. I can have as many dashboards as I need for all the different hats that I wear. When I was first learning the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, I couldn't figure out why sometimes my main navigation disappeared. Where did my dashboards menu go? Now I know that when I open an app, it opens on top of the 3DEXPERIENCE framework. Closing the app brings back the main navigation menu. One tip to prevent this is to add the app you want to use to a dashboard tab. Then the app will remain contained within the platform frames. An app may also open in a second browser tab. Closing the second tab brings me back to the platform with all navigation options. The Dashboards and Cockpits list may also disappear when you click a swim link that opens a new browser tab, especially if the link brings you to a different tenant. Another way this happens is when I open an app in full screen. Full screen literally means the full screen, so the platform framework is not shown. Instead of choosing full screen, take a tip from Microsoft Windows and double-click the app header. Double-clicking will expand the app to fully take up the space in the current dashboard tab without hiding the navigation menu. To return to the original app size, simply double-click the header again. Presto! Back to normal. One more tip for navigating the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Did you know you can drag and drop between dashboard tabs? This is so useful for opening your objects in the many platform apps available to you on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content helpful, visit the site below to access a video-based learning path on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.